I'm not sure that I can express the level of gratitude that we have for Overaa, because we're a kind of organization that really cares about the spirit in which things are done. And what was remarkable to us was that everybody on the Overaa team carried that same spirit that we carry.
The design really came from Mercer Connor, our spiritual leader. She reached out to Philip Johnson. Everyone knew it was a unique building. Everyone knew it hadn't been done like this before. Our charge is to carry forward for 700 years. And since this building is to be the home and center of it for all that period, we speak of it in 700 years. And of course, it's a little tricky. It got us into lots of problems, only because when we told the structural engineer, they didn't believe us, of course. Then we said, no, we're serious. Actually, we mean it. The core structure building is to last 700 years. To the extent that it can, design it for that.
The building is designed to reflect some of the core principles of Sufism Reoriented, primarily the idea of unity and inclusiveness. And so when we approached the design architect with a range of these ideas, he came up with the circularity, the design of circularity with the domes, everything to reflect those central principles. This building is sacred to us. It's going to be a one-of-a-kind building.
What we saw was almost all this incredibly beautiful work. I mean, some people, when you talk about concrete being beautiful, they have a hard time reaching out to that. But the quality of the work, whether it was an underground garage or it was a above-ground building, was so exquisite. It all spoke to us of what we found in the people, which the buildings bespoke of integrity. Overaa's approach to how they do things is reflected in what they build. It's not just the competence of their ability to construct, but it's their nature, the integrity, the strength of their inner being that gets reflected in what they build.
They also, separate from that, led the BIM modeling effort for the mechanical and the electrical systems and the fire protection system that has to go, the fire sprinkler system that has to be in the building. And because our building is designed with an interstitial space where most of that occurs, it's a challenge. It's not unlike hospital work where there's a tremendous amount of mechanical, electrical, and the ceiling space above a patient area or a lab area. We have a similar situation between our lower level where most of our day-to-day activities go on and the upper level where our gathering space, the prayer hall, is located. So that was quite a challenge to model all of that and make it work. And Overaa led the modeling team. They helped us select trade partners who were capable of doing BIM modeling and were skilled at it. And at the end of a rather long 6 to 9 month process, closer to 9 months, we successfully completed that. And our trade contractors who are on board now all collectively buy into that model because they help build it, and that's how we're constructing the building.
And that really made this job possible, because had there been disharmony, had there been any kind of negativity of any kind, it would have undermined what we care about the most. And that never, no matter what was going on in the construction site, no matter what was going on in terms of obstacles that naturally come up, the spirit that the Overaa team carried and was the same as what we value and care about. I don't have words to express how grateful we are for that.